let's go to our computers and we'll go to Wisconsin Peoples Maps Commission. And that URL is portal.wisconsin-mapping.org.
Let's get over there.
Okay.
So let me go to my computer, and at the top of the screen, I'll enter the address, portal.wisconsin-mapping.org, and this should take us to the portal. Let me do that. I hit return, and here we are. My submission title is Milwaukee Neighborhoods. That's because Milwaukee Neighborhoods, 3 make 1, because I got 3 neighborhoods combined into one.
Correct. Good.
And I'm doing a community of interest, so I got to click on community of interest.
That's right.
And now what I have is the, I have to enter the district URL. Then that's the one that I copied just a few minutes ago. Copy that from my records, and I'm going to paste it right here.
Very good.
There it is, and I can almost see it. So there it is. Fantastic. And I've already prepared a description for that, and so I'm going to just...
I think that's so helpful to have already written that and be able to just copy paste it in.
Absolutely. So that, now I'm going to paste it in. Copy and paste. There it is.
Yes. A few paragraphs is very nice. Very
and
good.
So there it is. And now they want tags, and this is so they can find it. So, and there's some. I'm going to just put in Milwaukee neighborhoods.
Okay. Now the important part, and look at some of it's filled in for you already. Your salutation, Mr. You could put that in. I doubt if it's mandatory, but
I'll skip it.
Okay.
My email address, city, county.
Now there's 3 buttons at the bottom there, and when I first did mine, I thought I had to choose between them, but really the point is to check each one of those.
All right.
And now the most important part, what you're doing to help your neighborhoods, to help democracy, and to help the state of Wisconsin is to push the submit.
Okay, I'm submitting my 3 Milwaukee neighborhoods. Done.